Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to make a common anode and common cathode RGB LED controller using BJTs without a microcontroller. This circuit is a common anode RGB LED controller using BC547 NPN transistors. The common anode of the RGB LED D1 is connected to plus 5 volt and each cathode representing red, green and blue is connected to ground through a 220 ohm current limiting resistor R4, R5, R6 and a NPN transistor Q1, Q2, Q3. Each transistor is controlled by a variable resistor RB1, RB2, RB3 in series with a 10 kilo ohm base resistor R1, R2, R3. When a variable resistor is adjusted, it changes the base voltage of its corresponding transistor, thereby controlling its conduction. A higher base voltage turns the transistor on, allowing current to flow through the respective LED, making it glow. By adjusting RB1, RB2, RB3, the intensity of each color can be controlled, allowing 4 different RGB color combinations. This circuit is a common cathode RGB LED controller using BC557 PNP transistors. The common cathode of the RGB LED D2 is connected to GND, and each anode representing red, green and blue is connected to plus 5 volt through a 220 ohm current limiting resistor R8, R10 and R12 and a BC557 transistor Q4, Q5, Q6. Each transistor is controlled by a variable resistor RB4, RB5, RB6 in series with a 10 kilo ohm base resistor R7, R9, R11. When a variable resistor is adjusted, it changes the base voltage of its corresponding transistor. A lower base voltage, closer to ground, turns the transistor on, allowing current to flow through the respective LED, making it glow. By adjusting RB4, RB5 and RB6, the brightness of each color can be controlled, allowing for different RGB color combinations. Now we can make the RGB LED glow in different colors by adjusting the potentiometers. If you liked this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.